Just because he lost his job does not mean he is not using that same skill to help other people. Tonight's local original, how graphic design, zip codes, and mask wearing are keeping one young man quite busy. Most of us, whether we even realize it or not, are paying attention to whether people are masked up, especially if they're going inside the same place we are. But Carl Broadus is paying even closer attention.
I thought, oh, people are going to benefit from understanding this and starting to understand how the data can inform the science and how we can have a better understanding of the truth behind the benefits of social distancing, mask usage.
Carl is a graphic designer by trade. After being laid off, he decided to take those skills to help the rest of us. He's visiting every zip code in Wake County, spending hours sampling how many people in various shopping areas are wearing masks. And then he's comparing that to how many people the state is reporting in each zip code as to being COVID-19 positive.
By the end of it, I had a pretty good holistic view of mask usage per zip code, and then I could compare that to COVID case count per zip code.
He's taken all that data and created these graphs for people like you and me.
And it's so much more impactful to be able to say, these are the people that you're going to the grocery store with. These are your neighbors. It makes it more real.
Carl wants to make it clear that this is not an exact scientist, nor does he claim to be a scientist. But as a layman, he has found correlations.
So we have to be careful to extrapolate anything too certain from the data. We can't say for certain there is this direct correlation between mask usage and COVID count. But I can say observationally, I have yet to see anything that discounts the benefit of masks.
Just incredible initiative there, Angela. And while not scientific, as he says, it is very interesting to look at what he's found in various zip codes, including yours, including mine, which I did look at. Carl wants to expand this into rural counties as well. I'll put those graphics up for folks to see at CBS17.com.